Hey, how's it going? How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Listen, I want to do a quick feed with you guys tonight because I do have my show, Change the Live, hosted by yours truly, Deonte Burden, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I want to do a quick live feed on Mr. Short Dollar in regards to the PPP loan, the funding balance being totally exhausted, and everybody's is panicking. I've been getting emails and texts all day long with people asking me, "Hey, Deonte, is the PPP run out? Is the money gone?" Excuse me. I just want to make a quick feed in regards to the PPP loan. And yes, the main funding sale has been exhausted, but there is other remedies and other funding places that you can go to in regards to getting PPP loan. Before we get started, again, I am Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself, and on Mr. Short Dollar, we talk about personal finance, business, entrepreneurship, and real estate investing. To stay abreast of everything, all thing you need to do, especially follow us on YouTube, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right hand corner. I'm not streaming on any other platform right now, just YouTube. But normally we're streaming on. Well, no, I'm sorry, I'm streaming on Facebook and YouTube right now. I apologize about that. But YouTube channel is the main mode we send most of our information through. So if you can, like and follow us on Facebook, but the main hub is the YouTube channel where we have over 200 videos talking about, again, business, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. But and hey, everybody, if you got any question in regards to what's going on right now, put them in the chat. This is going to be a quick chat, probably about 20 minutes. We're going to talk, and I'll try to answer as many of your questions as possible once I get through running my mouth with everything. If that's cool with everybody, I'm going to get started. But first, I do want to thank everybody for tuning in. I do want to let everybody know a couple housekeeping things. I probably won't be at the, usually on Thursday when we do the shows, even though we got Change the Live tonight. Now, I'll make sure I put a link for Change the Live. That show is supposed to start at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Probably going a little bit, starting a little bit late because I'm over here streaming first. But you guys know normally I'm on part of Misfits Media family where we stream live on Misfits Radio and Misfits Media on YouTube and Facebook, and also Misfits TV on Roku. But we had a death in our Misfits family. I want to give my condolences out to Slick 316 and DJ Lab. Slick's son Carlos Long, he passed on Monday, and it's gonna be rough, for us. And I want to extend my deepest condolences out to those guys. Tell them I love them, but and I'm here for you guys with anything you need, because they help me out with go through a lot of challenging times. But with that said, I will be streaming from my home studio for a little while. I don't know how long and everything, but we're gonna keep the thing rolling and stuff. But I want to again extend my deepest condolences to Slick and DJ Lab, and tell you guys I love you guys, and I'm here for you, and I'll be seeing you soon. Now to go what we're talking about with the SBA, the PPP loan, the funds running out, guys. Okay, don't worry. Okay, the PPP loan, the main fund was exhausted. Okay, but here's the deal. What happened is Congress already had mandated or allocated a certain amount of funds to go to what's called community financial institutions, right? Those some of you like smaller community banks. And so they were allocated, what was the number? Or $8 billion that was allocated as there. It was just congressionally mandated. It was a set-aside fund, okay? So traditionally, like you've been going to like your traditional financial institution, your Chase, your Bank of America, your Wells Fargo, or use some of the other straight PPP processing like Blue Acorn. They still maybe have a few that they still can process for you, but you can go to in majority of them saying, hey, they have run out. But those set-aside organizations, again, those community financial institutions, you can go to them. This simple. Just Google community financial institution near me. That's all you got to do, and you'll be able to find the ones near you. You don't have to necessarily have one that's geographically located near you, but you can find one that's close to you or one that you can apply for online. Okay, and those community financial institutions are another name for them. I have my little notes right here. I'm just kind of shooting through everything. With those being some of your community development financial institutions, you can Google that. Some of your minority deposit institutions and other qualified lenders or small business lenders. And these again, some of your small mom and pop banks that again, last year when the funds were allocated, a lot of those bigger banks swamped up all the funds and everything. So again, those banks are making money by processing these loans. Okay, remember the SBA backs the loan, but the banks are still making the money with doing it. But some of the huge banks, they was able to take them and process them, even though they probably make the money they were doing because they anticipated doing. Because you guys know I was processing PPP and disaster loans last year from my accounting firm, and it wasn't profit at all. Especially start looking at the actual time consuming that was taking us to do it, and those little small commissions, that the math just didn't work. That's why we didn't do it at PPP loans this year. But I do want to again give you guys assurance that again there are still money located and available for you guys for a PPP. You just need to go to your community financial institution. Remember, Google community financial institutions. Go there. I'm gonna try to, once I get settled, probably put a link in the description section of the YouTube channel for this video. Hey, community financial institutions. So I want you guys, you can click on that, but don't trip. So if you are in need of a PPP loan, or somebody is in need of it, again, just Google community financial institution, and you should be able to get access to one. Again, that's over $8 billion that was in it's congressionally mandated as a set-aside account. Okay, so that's there. That money is still there. It was put there, not touched and everything. And I want you guys to take all the opportunity you can to take advantage of it. Okay. I did a quick video earlier where I just brought it up, but I didn't get in depth of doing it. Explaining what it was. Just a little quick TikTok video that I uploaded on YouTube as well. But I want you guys to make sure again that you take advantage of it. Again, this is why these programs are out there. They're there to help you. But also, spinning off from that, I also did a video a couple of days ago about the PPP and idle fraud. Listen, guys, I love you. I want you guys to be successful. I want you guys, do well like that. But if you don't have a damn business, please don't be applying for these loans. They will be coming. If you don't have a legitimate business and they come back doing these independent audits. They're contracted out different law firms, and I'm talking about the U.S. government, to maybe do some independent audits end of the year or maybe next year. Please have your ducks in a row. Okay. And at the end of the day, yeah, sometimes people actually going back and doing amendments to previous tax years, and they're accruing encountering a tax liability to get money. But again, maybe looking at it from the perspective that, hey, we'll take care of that later. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can easily go and get you an SBA loan. There are tons of SBA products outside of PPP and the disaster loans that you can take advantage of. Okay. And they're probably just as difficult to get as the regular PPP and disaster loan. And that's not difficult at all. Okay. So I just want everybody to kind of pump the brakes, because the accessibility that people are getting, that people have to get these loans is pretty easy. But I just want, people doing things that probably not the most wisest to do. They can put you in a bad situation later. Okay. I want you to take care of yourself. I want you to take advantage of all the opportunities you have, but make sure you're doing it the right way. And if you're not sure what you're doing, you can always reach out to Mr. Short Dollar. Okay. Listen, I just want to have that quick conversation with you guys. Let me look through the chat, see if there's anything. Pastor Girl TV, thanks for tuning in. Cecilia Kern, Pure Lux Face and Body. Hey, I want to thank all you guys for tuning in. Guys, if I missed you or you have something that may come up later on, in the description section of on the YouTube channel or the videos, you can always reach out. Got the contact information. I'm still knee deep in tax season. I'm accountant by profession on Majestic Business Services. This tax season going great. Also, with Mr. Short Dollar, we're doing awesome. I think we have 14,200. We're gonna try to hit that 15,000 this month. So again, please tell any of your family and friends that have been looking at the channel, subscribe to it, share the videos. I got a lot of information coming out of Pike, especially in dealing with business credit and different credit products and checking and saving products that are out there for small businesses, and also ones that will be out there for individuals as well. So be on the lookout for that. Again, shout out to Lab and Slick. Again, my deepest condolences to you guys. I love you guys, and again, I'll be reaching back out to you guys soon. But also, every one of you guys that have been supporting Mr. Short Dollar and everything. I want you guys to. I got my other channel, Change Your Lives. We have a great show tonight. Tonight's show we'll be talking about Change Your Lives. Change Your Lives. What we talk about, and I've had Change Your Lives longer than I had Mr. Short Dollar. We talk about motivation, family, parenting, lifestyle, dating, all that kind of stuff on Change Your Lives. And tonight we'll be talking about how far, what is your obligation to your family and kids? How far are you going to be obligated to them? So I want you guys to, it's supposed to be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, maybe a little bit later. We're doing it maybe 8:05, but make sure you check out that channel. I'm gonna put the link to that channel in there. That's my other YouTube channel, Changing Lives. So check that out, guys. You can go by there. And again, I'll be streaming live there. It's supposed to be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think it's going to be a little bit later than that. Got a question there. Just Tiff, I was always discouraged to apply. I have a legitimate business, but it's fairly new. Here's the deal, and I'm going to say this too, because I get a lot of people, and I appreciate you bringing that up, Just Tiff. A lot of people have asked me all the time, should I have this or should I have this in place? Let me say this too. It ain't nothing wrong with applying with your legitimate information. Let them tell you no, not Deonte Burden. Okay, Mr. Short Dollar even tell you no. What I'm gonna do is give you the facts of what I know. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I know everything, but I know a lot, and I try to make sure that I have enough information. I don't put out what I think or what I heard. I want to make sure I put out things that I have in black and white that I can actually substantiate. But with that said, that doesn't mean you can't apply it. I'm telling you what they want you to have, and if you don't have it, they're saying they'll turn you down. But don't let that stop you. At the end of the day, if this is the legitimate information that you have, apply for the damn loan. Let them tell you no, not me. Okay, so I say all that to say that, listen, I just want you guys to make sure that you guys take advantage of the opportunities you have out there, and don't be so discouraged. If it's legitimate information, put it out there. Okay, put it out there. But if it's not, be careful. I'm not even going to tell you that. I don't even get down like that. That's why I've been in business 20 years. Because I'm all going to tell you legitimate and the right way to do it, okay? Because, I ain't money. I love making money, but I ain't so money crazy. I'm going to get locked up behind it. I definitely ain't going to tell you guys to do that. But if it's some things you're on the fence about because, you don't necessarily meet all the qualifications, let them tell you no. Just don't put anything fraudulent. Always put things that you can substantiate. If they say, hey, listen, we told you we want 5, and you tell them, look, I got 4.5. Can we roll with it? And they say no, you ain't lost nothing. But if you turn around and say you got 6 and you know you didn't have 6, you taking a gamble. And I'm not going to tell you to do that. But if it's something that you don't meet, still apply for it, okay? That's just me. You talking to you guys, okay? Let them tell you no. Let me see if I see anything else here. Terry Shepard. I enjoyed the formal presentation. Thank you. Well, hey, no problem. I appreciate you bringing that up. We got some more coming down the pipe, so please stay posted. Make sure you share the channel with everything. See, it's Pure Lux Face and Body. I just found a CFI locator by state. Also, well, if you don't mind, Miss Pure Lux and Face and Body, can you put the link up? If you don't mind doing that, I can share it with everybody. If you don't mind doing that, you're quite welcome with everything. But if you don't mind posting the link in the chat, I would deeply appreciate it. And even if you get to it afterwards, I'll make sure I post it in the description section for everybody. So again, she's talking about she found the community financial institution link by state. But if you guys can take advantage of that, please take advantage of it. Okay, the money is there, and I want you guys to be safe. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to be successful, all that good stuff. Because the reason why I'm in the position I am now is because good people, like I try to be, help me get where I'm at right now. So if you guys got any questions or anything like that, please reach out. Let me know. Let me know if you got any questions and stuff. Again, all the contact information is in the description section. If I get the information in regards to the link for the CFI locator or the community financial institution locator, I will update it in the description section on the YouTube channel. So again, if you even follow us on Facebook, make sure you go to the YouTube channel. Because again, that's the main vehicle. We'll push the videos on the Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, but the main channel, the videos that are hub with all the different links to everything is on the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar. Okay, so I always want to drive everything back to there if possible. Okay, guys, take care, be safe. Check out Change Your Lives in about maybe about 10 to 15 minutes and stuff. Have a great show tonight. Love you guys. Be safe out there. Talk to you soon.